At present, countries around the world have strengthened the armor thickness of the new generation of infantry fighting vehicles and armored transport vehicles, and some even use composite armor. Even the most powerful 12.7mm caliber sniper rifle in the world is obviously not enough. Heavy artillery, anti-tank missiles, etc. are bulky and expensive, and China's work hard on ammunition and precision power through innovation. Created this 14.5mm tungsten alloy bullet sniper rifle. Sniper rifles, such large caliber anti-materiel weapons, have always been the world of Western sniper rifles, and have been the world's first in distance and accuracy for a long time by American and British sniper rifles. However, this has become a thing of the past. The 14.5mm tungsten alloy shelling armor-piercing sniper rifle developed and designed by China has been rated as the world's #1 sniper rifle. Anti-materiel weapon. For power and range, by many military professional media in many countries including James Hanhei and other countries. Bullets for 14.5mm sniper rifles according to public media reports. China's 14.5mm tungsten gold sniper rifle. Its tungsten core armor-piercing bullet is made of high specific gravity tungsten alloy. Because the bullet core its section density is high, its flight speed and ability to penetrate steel plates are terrifying, and it can easily penetrate armored vehicles. China's newly developed 14.5mm tungsten gold sniper rifle has a terrifying firepower. It can use various domestic 14.5mm machine gun bullets, as well as 14.5mm tungsten core shelling armor-piercing incendiary tracers, 14.5mm armor-piercing explosive incendiary bullets, 14.5mm armor-piercing explosive incendiary bombs. The effect of ammunition strike according to media reports. According to its experimental strike test data, the armor-piercing ability of the domestic 14.5mm shelling projectile can be comparable to that of the famous 20mm caliber anti-aircraft artillery shell in the world today. The shelling shell used by the 20mm anti-aircraft guns in the United States has a penetration of 19mm on steel plates at a distance of 1,000 meters. The depth of the French 20mm shelling armor-piercing shell is 20mm. While the 14.5 tungsten alloy shelling shell in China has a higher caliber than it is smaller than the foreign guns by nearly 6mm. But at the same distance, the penetration depth of the steel plate has also reached an astonishing 30mm. The People's Liberation Army uses a large caliber sniper rifle, according to the media. Because this 14.5mm sniper rifle uses a high precision barrel, as well as a new structural design and technology, and our shelling shells are used in anti-aircraft shells in other countries. High toughness tungsten alloy is a bullet core armor-piercing element. In addition, Chinese bullet experts also designed the shape of the core of the domestic shelling shell to be the best state that can reduce the air resistance during flight, so that the comprehensive performance of the domestic shelling shell can reach the world-class level. At present, countries around the world have strengthened the armor thickness of the new generation of infantry fighting vehicles and armored transport vehicles, and some even use composite armor. Even the most powerful 12.7mm caliber sniper rifle in the world is obviously not enough. Heavy artillery, anti-tank missiles, etc. are bulky and expensive, and China's work hard on ammunition and precision power through innovation. Created this 14.5mm tungsten alloy bullet sniper rifle. 14.5mm sniper rifle ammunition experts say that using China's new 14.5mm sniper rifle to strike ground fortifications, firepower and living targets can be described as handy. China's 14.5mm sniper rifle has an effective range of 2,200 meters for bunkers, fortifications, firepower and personnel, and the longest strike distance is 4,500 meters. The bullet of the 14.5mm sniper rifle was found during testing. It has a very obvious effect in mountain jungles and urban street battles, such as the current armored personnel carriers, light tanks, bunker fortifications, and what ordinary walls meet it. One shot is enough to relax, take out the opponent. The British defense media said that it is also the first time that China has used high-hardness tungsten alloy armor-piercing bullets in large-caliber sniper rifles. China's new tungsten alloy bullet has greatly surpassed all large-caliber sniper rifles in the world. Air Show 14.5mm anti-materiel gun. Effective range of 4,000 meters, can penetrate infantry fighting vehicle armor within 2,500 meters. At the 13th Zhuhai Air Show, 5.8mm small caliber, 7.62mm medium caliber, 12.7mm and 14.5mm large caliber sniper rifles appeared, which also aroused the interest of some spectators and foreign customers. 14.5mm large caliber sniper rifle, the length of the gun is about 1.6 meters, of which the barrel length is about 1.2 meters, the gun weight is about 19 kg. 14.5mm ammunition, strong wind resistance, good ballistic performance. Not only has a long range, but also has high shooting accuracy. The barrel life is about 1,000 rounds. The gun has a large number of heat dissipation holes, which can ensure continuous shooting of at least 10 rounds of 14.5mm large caliber ammunition, without overheating the barrel, which will reduce the shooting distance and shooting accuracy. This domestically made 14.5mm anti-materiel gun can easily penetrate 1.2 meters thick concrete, within 1500 range. It can strike light armored vehicles, communication vehicles, command vehicles, aircraft and helicopters on the apron, etc. All without questionable. The shelling shells used by the active 20mm anti-aircraft guns in the United States have a penetration of 19mm on steel plates at a distance of 1,000 meters. The French 20mm shelling shells have a depth of 20mm, while the Chinese 14.5 tungsten alloy shelling shells have a higher caliber than foreign ones. The gun is nearly 6mm less, but at the same distance the penetration depth of the steel plate reaches an astonishing 30mm. Because this 14.5mm sniper rifle uses a high-precision barrel and uses a new structural design and technology. The shelling shell uses the high-toughness tungsten alloy used in anti-aircraft shells in other countries as the core armor-piercing element. China's military industry. The core shape of the domestic shelling bullet is also designed to be the best state to reduce air resistance during flight. During the test, the 14.5mm sniper rifle easily penetrated the Type 59 tank turret at a distance of 2,500 meters. Moreover, the heat dissipation performance of this gun is very good. Engineering plastics and porous heat dissipation are used around the barrel. They can ensure continuous shooting of at least 10 rounds of 14.5mm large caliber bullets, and will not cause shooting due to overheating of the barrel. Reduced range and shooting accuracy. Of course, it is also conducive to concealment and long-term lurking.